Yes, my people, my fanatics, my audience, my fans. Big up on yourself, anyone that on planet Earth, you know what I mean? One love, one heart. Blessing to all my people. And you see how the things set. Big up on yourself, my people. Right now, that one here, we just a big up Lutan Fyah. And we wonder why people are shot beer more Lutan Fyah tune. Because in this track, Lutan Fyah is talking about fake friends. You understand? A fake friend that mash up the whole thing. Right now around the whole world, a fake friend that mash up the whole thing. You understand? And also, my people, I want to talk to you now. Really want to talk to you. So yeah, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Lutan Fyah, because anyway you're there on planet ground, big up yourself, you understand? Big up Buju Banton, aka the Gargamel. We promote Lutan Fyah on the scene. Big up yourself, Gargamel, anyway you're there. You don't know. Walk to Freedom tour. Good luck with that. Blessing with everything where Buju be a going with. But you don't know when I'm here for the topic. Cause you don't know Lutan Fyah. They put a good point because you know say a fake friend will mash up the thing. So I really want to talk to the people, you know. I want to ask why all of the Clarendon and them out there, all of the people from Jamaica, man, where they know say Clarendon is a nice place. What used to sweet, sir? Yo, Clarendon, I try to show the people. I want to talk to my people. I really want to talk to my people. Clarendon, Jamaica used to be a beautiful place. I just saw them be show ground keep. Who know Jamaica say a lie me I tell? Say a lie me I tell. Leave a like, share and subscribe. All of the people them know say all 10, 15 years ago. Clarendon is a sweet place. Yo, one week away and all we bridging them all fly out, touch the foreign, and enough of the man them even want to do thing. Want make thing happen all in Clarendon, and the man them don't really know if to approach it because all the businessman them just get drop out and a bare madness. 4 people a day a drop out and them sitting there 2 people a day a drop out and them think they all may have 2 bridging over the last 2 years or so. They fly out. You understand? Man drop out bridging. My proper chef man we used to cook for me and them thing them I wonder, oh I go on to Clarendon I say, yo, Clarendon, Mambuckley. Yo, forgive me man about the Bumbuckley there, but Clarendon, Bumbo Grass Cat man. Me Bumbert. A place done warm. I mean no say it under some fake friend thing cause some people get dash me don't know they get dash way. John no star me I said the man them a go on away. Yo, respect to Rapper Crapper and showing the video with the coconut tree on fire while the rain is falling. These are wonders and signs. When I was a little youth, I used to sit down with my grandaunt and them thing there. The people them did say to me under prophecy, say, I will live to see me as a young youth then, we're about 9, 10, will live to see some change and decay of the land. So basically, things women are used to seeing and things when they used to happen are going to start happen. And what the old people them say, a judgment to Bongo Grass Cat. A toe virgin have will drop out and I need some heinous crime and I need some violence, gun crime and them thing there. Where the man them drop out and the man them involved in enough shit. Me know that. You understand? Cause the two different man them, we go about them life and I live and I do what them I do. Just happen to get stray bullet. Our foolishness that will burn them thing the Clarendon. You understand? When they grow up at Clarendon, that them be show ground and place nice. Yo, we are talking about big up to Buju for that tune anyway. Big up to Buju for that tune. Compliments of Buju and you understand? You listen to that one off of World of Music. Big up yourself, World of Music. You understand? You can Gmail them at worldofmusic7@gmail.com. But when I veer off of the point, Clarendon was a sweet place. May I tell you? Yo! And that tune is shot anyway. Shot. The Buju tune is shot with slap with gone. Welcome back a road Buju. And right now some of the youth, them on the better start listen to some Buju. Because me I tell the man them right now, say boy, it don't look good. And the people who really want to do business in a place where they are foreign cannot do business. Because the place too busy, brother. You understand? Government, member of parliament, for North Central, Clarendon and the whole of the district. A place too wild and busy. You understand? For anybody come down there and do business. You understand? Or do any kind of thing. All the people are apparently vexed. Some people say they're not turn back down at that. Not I. But people is saying that they're not turning back down there. They are scared. You understand? Because they see the British couple them and the people them will get killed and drop out and all of them sitting here. I mean, as a man, me always like to see the best in a me yard. John, no star. Oh, the man them a roll, so the man them a roll. Busy. And the government now go out with that thing to stop a thing. You understand? Because since my little youth since now, it's only getting worse and worse. And when it come to all the criminal them just not give a shit. You understand what I mean? We not talk about bad man, we talk about gunman. A different set of man them now. When I grew up, bad man used to just be bad man and you know him involved in a more badness and bad man things and other bad man. Now, a bare innocent people, I get slapped with liquor baby and them thing the virgin. John, no, Clarendon. And we name the Dan, you know. We're only one Dan in a Jamaica and a Clarendon. Big up all the rest of Jamaica still, no, because you don't know, I love a place. But me just I say when I was born, remember clear. Me say the place I move busy, brother. You understand? God have to help we, politician have to help we have to help ourselves, and a whole lot. Everything. We need help from everything. Yes. Forget about the place righteous, car. Me know a man where they are Clarendon. When are the 90s and still a farm. Warm to the farm in Clarendon. Jono Star. Jono Star. I say all the thing bun me, brethren. I feel like I cry. I walk out of me. Yeah, I like Bushman, brother. You understand? Jono Star. You understand? There's something bun me in a way, whereas, you understand? How the place I run busy. If 1,000 people want to touch down with me from foreign right now, me can't touch with the people them right now, brethren. Because I don't like how the place I run would have to just roll with myself. You understand? Because me love the place, some would have to take my own risk. I don't carry nobody in the risk. Not no you, not no nobody I carry in the risk. You understand? Because right now, all the thing I run, my people are getting slapped with left, right, and center. Nobody, no case now solve. You understand? There are bare things. You understand? And my family, them where they are the place, war for the people, them. You understand? John, no star, Clarendon. Where is the love? You understand? Where the love there? You understand? The member of parliament, what's happening? You understand what I'm saying? What's happening, man? You know what I mean? I have to ask, Wagwan, what's up? You understand? Where the farmer them there? You understand? And the little man them when our farm full. Why for them life have to be in a problem? When them try to make the place better. And people now try and make the place better, just have free reign for do what the hell them want to do. Cause some idiot little crime where you hear about going to the place. You understand? You have to wonder really what go on Jamaica. And especially Clarendon where we come from. Big up on yourself, Clarendon and the good people in Clarendon. Big up on yourself, cause I am you and you are me. You understand? Some man say, boy, you there where you there and you fly out so you don't have nothing to worry about. Only an idiot would never have care and love for the place where them born and grew and come from. Only a fool. You understand? Cause if you don't know where you come from, where are you going? Nowhere. You understand? So big up on yourself, Clarendon, and they don't know the thing set. Big up Protege for the song we call Matter of Time, we come off a Matter of Time album, you know what I mean? Big album, great album, Proto Diggy Diggy. You see me? When I say, boy, he's not going to leave Jamaica for another place. You understand? He's not going to do that. You understand? So we not forget what place. Yeah, man, so just big up on yourself in a fantasy world, and I'm here rant and I go and talk about few thing and thing. You see it? Because we just talk about things and things on the channel. I just saw the things set. We just do it how we do it. You see? Sorry, say Bushman video just cut off up on the last video, you know? But you don't know, a little update and, you know, little technical difficulty going on the video. So just big up on yourself, my people, my fanatics, my fans. Tell me what you think. You understand? People know Clarendon say, boy, what go on? You understand? 10, 15 years ago, they play sweet like a sugar. You understand? Them be showground, nothing nice. So, everybody come from all over the world with them best, all over the country, pardon me. With all of them best produce, them best yam, them best pumpkin, them best fish, them best rice, them best bacon. Everything used to happen there at Denby Showground. You understand? So big up on yourself, true, real, authentic Jamaicans out there, what know really me I talk about. And big up all of the Clarendonians out there, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself, one done, you know what I mean? We come from yard, you understand? One set of people come from yard and that I true done them and a CLARENDON. Big up the done in a Clarendon. Big up on yourself, my people, my fanatics, my audience, my fans, all those who lost people into the struggle. Condolences to them, man. All I know who having baby and children into the struggle. Congratulations to them. People who's married in the struggle and all of them sitting there. You understand? Congratulations to them. You understand? So me have to say, yo, just go and big up on yourself, my people. You understand? Go and big up Bujo and see what Bujo do a road there. You understand? So you don't know until the next video and the update. You understand? You don't know the thing. Shut. Me have so much things to chat to the people about the thing. Shut. Good evening, good morning, good night. It's Fantasy World Radio. Leave on the likes, comments, and make sure to share the video then. You understand? 132, we're looking to turn it up a little bit this year. So the thing shut. Seeing me, people? You understand? The thing shut. Big up on yourself. Me love you, keep on yourself as safe as possible. You understand? Me pray for you as I hope you pray for me, myself. Ja Rastafari, the Most High be with you. Glory be to the Most High. Ja Rastafari, Kings of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Big up yourself. You understand? Don't know. Take where Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer Flow. Big up yourself. 7-star general anyway you're there. Over, out. Protege Chronics, big up on yourself. Thank you for coming. Lively up the thing. At the same time, big up Coffee with our throne. You understand what I mean? And our toast. Me love throne way more than I love toast, but me love the whole of music so far. You understand? Go and big up on yourself. You understand? Plus one artist who I come up on here, Martima. Martima bad. Check out Martima. My people know me always bring recommendation. And fresh bread. Fresh meds. Big up on yourself, you understand? You understand? Go turn on some music, go listen to some Protege, go listen to some Martima, go listen to some Coffee. You understand? Them things